Welcome to Mastering Machines, where we discover tomorrow's reality.
Every major AI frontier lab is using Nvidia's H100 GPU currently right now for training their models, which is extremely powerful. But we're right around the corner from a lot of these labs and corporations from getting Nvidia's new graphic card, which is called Blackwell, being deployed into their organizations, whether that be for model training or just internal tasks or just raw compute for scaling up their LLM efforts. We're going to see a lot of more powerful LLM models come because of Nvidia's Blackwell GPU. I want to use this time to talk about 10 unique facts in regards to Nvidia's Blackwell GPU. First thing to talk about is the actual transistor count of the Blackwell chip. The Blackwell chip packs a whopping 208 billion transistors. That's more than a double the 18 billion found in its predecessor, the H100, and that's the card that's usually being used by most frontier labs currently. To put that in perspective, that's like fitting the entire population of Brazil onto a chip smaller than your fingernail. Then we have the manufacturing process. Blackwell isn't just big, it's actually innovative and cutting edge. Nvidia uses a custom 4NP process, which is a type of manufacturing process for graphic cards from TSMC to manufacture these chips. This advanced node allows for incredible density and efficiency, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in semiconductor design. One of the most important facts to me regarding Nvidia's Blackwell, which is also serialized as the GB200, is the fact that it's a 30x performance increase compared to the H100. This increase in power will allow for organizations and AI labs to create entirely new types of AI applications just based off of the amount of power that can be produced by Nvidia's Blackwell. And it's not just an incremental improvement or just a tad bit better. It's a generational leap in terms of power from H100 to the new Blackwell card. So I think that 30x in power, we're going to see a lot of different types of applications start to come down the pipeline from these organizations who get Nvidia's Blackwell into their system. Also, the Nvidia Blackwell won't just have that 30x increase in power, it also will be a lot more energy efficient. Nvidia has claimed that it can reduce the cost and energy consumption of running a large AI model by like 25x. By implementing the Nvidia Blackwell. One of the biggest issues with most AI companies and tech companies that are leveraging AI is the fact that they have to find other energy sources such as nuclear energy to scale up their compute in a way that it's actually profitable for the company and not a cost drain. In a society where there's been a lot of scrutiny with AI's carbon footprint, this really can be a game changer. The Blackwell also has a massive memory load. The Blackwell delivers with up to 192 gigs of cutting-edge HBM3E memory per GPU. That's a 50% increase over the previous generation, allowing for even larger and more complex AI training. One of the things that I wasn't aware of with the chip is that it uses what's called interconnect speed. These chips don't work alone. So Blackwell introduces NVIDIA's 5th generation NVLink, which enables a blistering 1.8 terabyte of bidirectional throughput between GPUs, basically allowing all the different GPUs together be able to communicate with each other even faster. This allows for seamless communication when organizations want to scale up their GPU efforts, and then allows all these GPU systems to talk in tandem with each other. Also, Jensen Huang was mentioning how Blackwell has specific AI enhancements. It features a second generation transformer engine specifically designed to accelerate AI workloads. Combined with NVIDIA's current software stack, this enables new capabilities like efficient 4-bit inference for large language models. And if you've seen Jensen Huang in a lot of the talks that he's been giving the last couple of months, he has talked about how the computing power of Blackwell will be really useful for scientific research. Blackwell is a powerhouse for traditional scientific computing. It offers 30% more double precision compared to Nvidia's Hopper. This feature allows for a major speed up in a lot of different scientific industries and fields. So that means climate modeling, drug discovery, and even quantum solutions will all be sped up with this particular feature. Another fact when it comes to Nvidia's Blackwell is the fact that it will be able to really do well in scaling up in terms of a data center. Nvidia has one data center offering called the GB200 NVL72, which combines 72 Blackwell GPUs and 36 Grace CPUs into a liquid-cooled rack-scale monster. This configuration delivers a mind-boggling 1.4 exaflops of AI performance and 30 terabytes of fast and blazing speed memory. This gives a lot of existing data centers that want to scale up their AI efforts a proper product to go into that next level and stratosphere. What's probably the most telling statistic, so number 10, when it comes to Nvidia's Blackwell, it's the adoption rate. Blackwell is being adopted by virtually every major player in AI and cloud computing. That means Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, OpenAI, all of them are jumping on board to get this 30x in power. The widespread adoption ensures Blackwell will power that next wave of AI innovation across all these different industries. These are 10 facts to know about NVIDIA's Blackwell. If you would like me to do more of a deep dive in terms of NVIDIA's Blackwell, just let me know in the comments. Remember, mastering machines, discover tomorrow's reality.